What's up, guys? Welcome back. We got another Lexus today. This time we got an RX 350. This is a newer body style. I don't think I've done one of these before. And it's the L, so it's the long wheelbase version. I didn't even know they made one of those. Anyway, let's check this one out. So far, nothing to squeak about back here. Get it? Ah, bad joke. Story of my life. Anyway, let's see if the front seat performs just as well. Alright, let's do the button test. And now for the final button. In case you're curious about the mileage, down here is not the miles, that is the miles for the next, until the next service. Let's see how many actual miles are on this car. You gotta turn it off, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, see, here we go. The truth comes out. But let's start her up, it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside. Anyway, how does this one do? I've tested an older RX, a couple of them actually, and they did surprisingly bad considering Lexus's reputation. This car is not like those other cars. This one does actually quite well for fit and finish. I really didn't hear any creaks. The only thing that I can really nitpick about this car is maybe the center console lid here. It's just a tiny bit loose, but otherwise pretty good. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 for fit and finish, which is quite strong. As far as materials go, we do have a lot of upper area soft touch here, and the wood is quite nice. Take a look at this this wood here. There we go. Everything here is soft touch. Now, it does start to get a little bit on the harder side once you go like the glove box and lower. See, like this is soft touch, but then you go over here, hard plastic. The seats, I don't think these newer Lexuses use real leather. It's soft and everything, don't get me wrong. It just doesn't feel like cowhide. Honestly, it feels like a synthetic material, which, you know, could be worse. Sun visor is cloth. Lexus uses a very soft, supple cloth for their cloth. It almost feels like a silk, even though I know it's not. But take my word for it, it is very soft. One of the better cloths in the business. So for materials, I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. I would bump that up to a 7. This kind of area wasn't hard plastic if it was also soft touch. And if we had real leather seats, I would bump that up to 7, but right now it's at 6. So there you guys have it. 6 out of 10 for materials, 9 out of 10 for fit and finish. Overall, this car makes me happy, and I would recommend it to anybody. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.